icon is the color, the fourth icon is the font, and the fifth icon is alignment, and the sixth icon is the transition. So firstly, I want to do the border. I want to give it a border. You know that you can't display. Can you see? Let me just click on mark and click on it. You know that you can't see any color. You can't see. Then I want to give you color so that you can see what I posted here. So I go to this color. Then I'll go and change. If I want to change the color, I can change the color so that it will be displayed. Can you see? This is the color. If I want to give it a black color. Then if I don't want to give it a color, I can change it back to my white. If I want to give it a red color, can you see? If I want to give it any color, I can just give it any color here. Any color I like or any color I wish. So let me just give it a black color. Then after that, then if I don't want to give it a black, if I want to give it a border, I can come here and I give it a black border. Can you see it? Then if I want to give it shadow, I can give it a shadow. Let me cancel the border. Then let me give it shadow and let me give it black shadow. Can you see it? Then let me cancel the shadow. Then I want to just give it a color, background color. Let me just give it a black color. This is our text. You know that our text is too large. Then we can reduce our text. Mark it. Then you can reduce the size of our text if you wish. Go to edit. Can you see it? Then let me just cut the text here. Let me go and cut, let me edit it and let me cut it. Yawma yakumu wal malaikatu saffa. So let me leave it as saffa. Then let me copy the la yatakallamuna. La man azina lahu rahman. Let me cut it. No, let me just copy all of them. Sawfa la yatakallamuna la yatakallamu illa man azina lahu rahman wa qala sawaba. Let me just cut this one. You just have, we are left with yawma yakumu wal malaikatu sawfa. Then you click OK. Then after that, you now go and duplicate your text. Duplicate it. Then the second one, you now paste. You go back to your edit. You now paste la yatakallamuna illa man azina lahu rahman. Paste it here. La yatakallamu illa man azina lahu rahman. Then wa qala sawaba. Let's copy this. Let's cut this wa qala sawaba. Also cut. La yatakallamu illa man azina lahu rahman. Let's leave it like that. Then let's go and duplicate again. Duplicate. Then let's write wa qala sawaba. We go back to edit. Then cancel this. Paste. Wa qala sawaba. Then we leave it like this. So we have 3 tests. Back. You have 3 tests. Then you want to paste the translation. You want to do the translation. You now go back to the translation also. The day that the spirit and the angel will stand forth. So let's go and check before we copy. Yawma yakumu wal malaikatu saffa. So we first copy the day. Malaikatu saffa. Then we copy this. Copy. Then in this you now duplicate also again for translation. So we now move it to the top here, to the translation. Then you now edit it. You clear this one. and place the translation. The day that the spirit and the angel will stand in rank. The day that the spirit, let's split it, that the spirit and the angel, that the spirit and the angel will stand forth in rank. Let's reduce the fourth in rank. Okay. Then we will now bring it down. After you have bring it down, let's edit it. To do that, we come to this text to give it a space. Can you see? Let me reduce the size of the text. Okay. Then I will now come to this color here. Let me give it white color. Then let me give it a label. I want to give label. Let me give it this label. The day that the spirit and the angel will stand forth. Okay, let me take this up to the top and follow this. If I want to increase the label, I can increase it if I like. Then I'm not increasing the label. Let me just move this one to the top a little bit. Okay, we will stop here and continue in our next class.